How to add custom funds to Steam Wallet. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add custom funds on your Steam Wallet. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser and then search for store.steampowered.com. So once you do that, you will land on the official website for Steam. Make sure to log into your account here. So as you can see here, I have already logged in. All you need to do is click on this drop down. In some cases, you can even see your funds right below your username, but you just basically click on this. And then from here, click on account details. So once you do that, as you can see here, my wallet balance is $0 right now. So if you want to add funds to your Steam wallet, you can just click right here to add funds. So click right here. So as you can see, here is no option to add custom funds. The minimum is $5, then $10, $25, $50, and then $100. There is no other way to add custom funds here, but what you can do is manipulate the web code for this. In order to do that, hover your mouse over this. So let's say if I want to add $5.49. In this case, what I'm going to do is right click on the funds and then click on inspect elements. Now this will open up a different console on the right side of your screen. Here you can see the add funds button is set right there on the console. It's highlighted right here. And what you want to do is now just scroll a bit up right where the highlighted text is, and you'll find the data amount to 500. The 500 represents the $5. So in this case, what you want to do is double click on this. And so let's say if I want to add $5.49, I'm going to type in 549 and then hit enter. So once you do this, you can close this out and then click on add funds right here. The change may not be visible right here, but you can do that. So I'm just going to quickly add my payment details here. So here I have added my payment detail, and as you can see, the total is $5.49. Which means the little manipulation that we have done on the code has worked successfully. So if you continue with the purchase, you can just purchase this custom amount right here on your Steam wallet. That's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.